When you order flowers from 50 Flowers, it is important to remember that flowers will arrive a few days before your event, and they will still need a bit of TLC to ensure they bloom perfectly on your big day. We recommend 3 critical steps for your flower care. Step 1, receive your flowers. You will want to grab clean containers and fill them with at least 4 inches of fresh, cool water and add flower food to the water. Do not forget to purchase flower food from our website. This is a key supply you will want on hand before your flowers arrive. Now, once you have your water ready, open your boxes and inspect your flowers. Remove the flowers from the box and cut any straps and remove floral packaging from the stems and bunches. Step 2 of proper flower care is to process your flowers. Remove any foliage from the flowers that fall below the waterline of your vase. Now, as you remove foliage, take special care to not damage the stems of your flowers. Once you do that, proceed to cut the stems diagonally using sharp scissors or a knife. You will cut approximately 1 inch from the stem's bottom, and then immediately after cutting, place the stems in the prepared water. Your final step for flower care is to maintain your flowers. Allow your flowers at least 4 hours to hydrate well. Keep in mind that most flowers will take 8 to 12 hours to properly hydrate. And please be sure to keep your flowers in a cool, dark location, away from sunlight and drafts and excessive heat. Finally, be sure to change your water every 24 to 48 hours to keep your flowers fresh. You want to ensure that your flowers have sufficient water because they do drink an exceptionally large amount of water upon arrival. Okay, those are the 3 critical steps for flower care. 1, receive your flowers. 2, process your flowers. And 3, maintain your flowers. Follow these easy steps and your flowers will look absolutely stunning on your big day.